my name is Jillian, and for today's video we're going to be doing a California trip vlog. Don't mind my hair, but I just have it in my heatless curls. But this is all my stuff. This is what I'm going to take with me in the car: my water bottle, my purse, and then my blanket and my squishmallow, and then my duffel bag is right here. But it's 5 in the morning right now, and we're barely starting to pack this stuff in the car, and then we're gonna go all meet up at QT, and then we're gonna head to California straight to the beach. And yeah. Oh my gatos. Gracias. Oh, ya llegamos al QT. Madre. We got some taquitos for me and Jenny. We're gonna. Oh, it's in portrait mode. My dad.
I'm saying.
Tienen, según que ya hicieron otra vez, ya pues, le digo camino, ya.
Okay, everybody, we're here at the beach. We're here at Huntington Beach. We brought our breakfast / lunch from. Oh my god, my makeup looks really white. From the house, so we don't have to stop anywhere and take more time. Ahora sí, ya llegamos.
Wait.
El sándwich, bueno.
No entiendo. Jamón de chicken la de tuna and protein. Wait.
We're on vacation. Yeah, no more protein. Yeah. So we were waiting for everybody to pull up, so we're barely gonna go look for our spot. Some people already went, but I don't know where they went. So I'm just gonna wait with my mamas. But we're on the way.
Pero es que es lo que te digo, si hemos venido en mediados de julio, últimos de junio también.
Hola. Mira. It's so red.
What the hell? Hola, chula.
Oh. Boy, what the hell?
I don't think you're taking a video.
Cheers. the beach. And I have the snacks. Some in front of me, some that haven't come. But I wanted to go to the hotel to take a shower and then go eat. Everybody wants to go eat first and then go to the hotel. So I think we're gonna go eat some tacos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So see you at the taco spot. Okay guys, so we ended up coming to the hotel instead of going to eat first. And this is mine and Janice's side. And then this is my mom and dad's side. We gave them the bigger bed. My dad already put the game. But yeah, this time we're gonna go. We just came to put our stuff away and to like change if people wanted to change. I just kept my outfit on, but then we're gonna go eat. And then when we come back, we're gonna shower and stuff. Bye.
Sí, ya la concesión de para allá estaba el otro. Pero no se acordó más frenar de aquí porque me creo para acá.
Guys, so we got my taquitos. We're sitting on the curb because they don't have anywhere to sit. Diles hi. Diles hi. Diles hi. Okay guys, it's the next day and right now I got ready and everything. If you want to see me getting ready and my outfit and stuff. Excuse me!
Okay, sorry.
So I got ready. If you want to see me getting ready, I recorded it on my TikTok, so go to my TikTok. The link is in my bio. But right now we're going to the callejones, and then after that we're just gonna be there for most of the day. We're gonna eat breakfast there and everything. It's like 9 right now. But then later we're going to West Hollywood or something. I don't know. We'll see where the day takes us. Hey y'all, so my mom, Janice, and me got breakfast from X-Lut. It's called X-Lut. Me and my mom got the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Oh my gatos.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Mira tú que Luca, préstame eso, Luca, porque tengo más. Mira.
Okay, so me and my mom got the bacon, egg, and cheese. Janice got the sausage, egg, and cheese. And then we got an order of these hash browns. They look really good. Mi maya se manchó, you know, pero no hay pecs. It's okay.
Oh my God.
Se me olvidó decirte que no estaba cocido, no estaba cocido la yema.
I know.
So me and Janice also got box waters because they didn't have water bottles. So we're a little bougie today. Okay, let me try this. Oh man, ¿te dijo la Janice que agarramos hash browns? Una orden para que comas también. Ay, ahora tengo miedo para comérmela.
No nos voy a agarrar a Juárez.
Ya llegamos. Okay, everyone. So we left the callejones and now we're gonna go to the Plaza Olvera, but we're gonna be there for a little bit so we can, cause it's barely gonna be. It's 20 minutes to 3. So we're gonna be there for probably an hour or 2, and then we're gonna go back to a hotel so we can rest a little bit, and then we'll probably go eat, and we're gonna go to West Hollywood after that. But I'm gonna show you what I got at the callejones. The first thing I got were these sandals, because I've been needing sparkly ones, because the ones I have, they're really, they're just really ugly, you know? My family is talking, so if you can hear them, just ignore. And then I've been wanting this one for a while, so I got this one. And the last thing I got is just this pin for hats. It's a calavera. So cute. But that's all I got. Okay. Now we're on the way to the plaza, and I'll show you guys when we get there. We also got some churros because, well, we always go to this place. It's called La Salsa. So we always either eat there or buy stuff from them.
Y eso es donde venden los taquitos sudados de canasta.
Uh-huh. The place, La Salsa, they sell tacos en canasta and they're really good. Oh, está bien rico. ¿Qué? ¿O no?
Yo sí quiero, chica. Ay, güey.
¿Y aquí para dónde vas a salir?
Pues ahorita ya no me daba. Dice de tanto ver.
Okay, everybody. So we went to the placita and now we came to Santa Monica. We just trip here to walk a little bit and then we're gonna go. I'm hungry. I don't know about everybody else, but I'm hungry. Okay.
Porque mañana será.
Vamos, mis amores, vamos, vamos, mis amores.
Mándalo del Facebook, mi papi, y mándale.
So it's Saturday now, and we came to one of our family's restaurant, and we're gonna eat breakfast here. No, but we're just gonna eat here, and then we're gonna go to San Pedro. I don't know what that is. Like, I don't know. There's like boats and stuff over there. Just go with the flow, girl. But we're gonna eat here, and then we're gonna go to San Pedro and spend a day there. And then later tonight, we're gonna go to West Hollywood. Okay, guys. So change of plans. Me and Janice, and we came to McDonald's because like no se nos antojaba the food over there. So we just came to McDonald's, and then they ordered, like, nos encargaron coffees because they didn't sell coffees over there. So we're here making these, got our order, and then we're gonna take the food and eat over there.
Pero nomás dice deberíamos.
Esperan aquí, no les
Y
organizan.
hasta que.
Now open.
Here with the big ones, shaking it. We're getting on the boat on a little tour. My hair keeps getting me a stiff.
On a 3 to 7 day vacation, to Mexico, Alaska, Hawaii.
Okay guys, it's like about to be 7 now, but we left San Pedro around 5-ish, 5:30-ish, and we came to eat here. I don't know where we're at, but it's closer to Hollywood, and we're at this like pupusas place, and we're gonna eat here. And then after that, we're gonna go to Hollywood still. Hi. But yeah, I'll see y'all there. Chicken nuggets. You said pupusas. Chicken nuggets.
¿Cómo está casi todo?
Sangria. Jamaica. Very good, very good. Okay.
When you know.
Oh, when you know where to do this.
Sing along.
¿La qué?
La pizza.
Una grandota.
It's your turn. Oh,
It's your turn.
Wait. Sing along. Sing along. How you go? How you go? No. How you?
Is it a scissor song? I don't know how it goes.
How you?
I wanna know. If you ever
How you go?
seen
I know. How you bother? Why you?
It's why you bother me. Oh my God, see, that's why I couldn't get it. Why you bother me
When you know you don't want me. Why you bother me when you?
Hold on, Okay, y'all. We got to Hollywood. We just parked and then we're gonna start walking. Start the walking. Oh, look at the cheese.
¿Dónde andas?
I got me McFlurry.
¿Dónde estás?
What?
Oh, ¿cuál saliste hoy? A ver cómo hay buena iluminación. Todo el camino.
¿Vas a arreglarlo? Oh, pues en McDonald's.
Ah, okay. We're gonna go eat breakfast. And then, damn.
No corre.
Oh, I look like that. Okay, well, we're gonna go eat breakfast a little bit. And then probably head out. Putting air in our tires.
Llantas los dedos a las...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big. We're eating good at iHole. Very nice, very nice.